you enjoy sleep and don't want to hear that noise, don't come to Thailand, because that's how we wake up in the morning. I know I swore I wouldn't get a bike, but I can't walk back to those waterfalls, so we're taking a bike this time. I'm driving. Alright, we're about to do this hike today with Jay and Stu. What's up, fellas?
Yep, what's going on?
Ready to get it on?
Ready to rock and roll.
Man, that waterfall is beautiful. So we could do the slippery route out there, or the steps here, but because of my super awesome, you know, Walmart shoes, yeah, we're doing stairs. How you feeling, Stu?
Hot but great, buddy. Beautiful.
It is a little bit warm out here, but it's worth it for the hike and for the view. Jay, how's the view?
Oh, breathtaking, man. Amazing. Definitely worth that little mini hike.
In a hole, Jay's gonna take a dip there.
Yeah. That was refreshing.
You're a new travel companion? We have a guide dog now. All right, let's go. It's actually more like of an air fall now, because ain't no water coming down. It's all air, people, bugs and stuff. Yeah. All right, fellas, how was the Koh Phangan National Park hike?
Pretty good. High point was the viewpoint. That's all I have to say. It's a good challenge. Beautiful view from up there. Yeah, good workout. Beautiful view. I don't know about the waterfalls though. I think you need a higher water level. Yeah, definitely. I agree. Beautiful hike. Definitely beautiful. Something new.
It was a good hike. I came for the waterfall though, so and there 5 of them didn't seem to exist. So come in the on season, the wet season, when there's water here, because if not, it's just gonna be a hike. The viewpoint is nice. You can see the whole island. I was actually really surprised that my shoes, can you see those? I made it through the whole hike with these shoes on. I just knew they were gonna rip and break, but they didn't, so pleasantly pleased with that. So I might just try to find another waterfall somewhere, or go to the beach or a pool or something. I need some water, basically. So compared to the Pang waterfalls, this one is much better. I got to swim, got a nice dip in the waterfall, got these beautiful views. You can hear the water, people. So yeah, definitely do the hike first and then come here to Paradise Waterfalls. Driving here though, the road was really bumpy. On a scooter, I was like gunning it, but there's potholes everywhere, and yeah, it's a journey getting here, but it's definitely worth it. It's very beautiful. I was not planning on hiking again, and definitely not something so steep and crazy, but I'm here, right? Let's do it. Okay, finish this sentence. A guy goes by himself into the woods hiking and gets lost. Oh man, I'm so hungry. I think I'll eat about anything now.